Hey guys, it's Mr. O'Neill. I just want to take a second to introduce y'all to Max in all of his excellence. He came Friday, which was Miss O'Neill's birthday. So her and Miss O'Neill share the same birthday, and we're just like so happy and excited. Eliza's being a great big sister, and I'm so excited, but I'm not going to be here this week. So I just want y'all to know that every day when you should be logging onto my Zoom, go to my Canvas and there will be assignments there. They're going to be graded, read every direction, and do the best you can. I understand there might be hiccups or challenges, but I accept you to meet them because I'm not going to be able to really check my email or answer your questions because I got to be here at the house helping out, okay? I love you guys. I hope you do a great job and just really, really do your best. And please don't stress out. Just try to, you know, reduce your screen time, get the work done, and use the time to the best of your ability. I'll try to check in with us sometime this week. I'll try to check in with each class, but I just don't know if it'll happen. And then lastly, just make sure to check Canvas every day. I'll update it for you, okay, guys? Take care.